Hi, and welcome to the new tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at Access 2013, and we're going to be looking at how to create a calculated field. So the first thing we want to do is we have our table here, or our tables, and we're going to create a field. Now as you can see, we have a customer table, invoice table, and product table. I'm now going to go to Create, Query Design. I'm going to put all my tables in. Okay, as you can see, they're all related. Now, what we need to do is, in these tables, I have the cost of certain types of products. I also have the quantity, and I have, the customers that have purchased it. So I'm just going to put some fields down. I want the customer's surname. I want the invoice date of the purchase. I want the quantity, and I want the product cost, and finally the product name. Now to create a calculated query, it's quite simple. In this query, if I just run the query, I can see that this is the quantity and this is the product cost. Now what I want to do is I basically want to times them together, and I want to create a new field. So when I go back to my design view, this is what I can do. So to create a calculated query, I can click this zoom button, and this is just an easier way for me to actually, type this expression. But I'm going to create a new field name called total cost. Now, the colon here basically tells the query that this is going to be a new field, so it will automatically create a new field. Now, what I need to do is I need to times quantity by product cost. So that's all I'm going to type: quantity times product cost. And when I'm done with that, I can click OK. Now as you can see, quantity and product cost are in brackets. So that basically tells me that Microsoft Access knows that they're fields, and so therefore it will multiply them together with the asterisk. So if I click run, you can see that the product costs are all totaled up. So 1 times 19 is 19. Now a few things you need to do to this. We want to get this into a currency format. So to do that, we need to make sure that we've clicked on this field, and then you can go to format, and you can change it to currency, and you can change other things just like you could in the design view when manipulating tables. So there you go, it has currency. Now another thing that you can do is you can add up totals as well. You can do this in reports. Also you can do it here in queries if you really wanted to. So say for example, I have my total here, and if I want the sum of all of these things, I just need to click that and it will give me the sum. If I want other things such as average, the count, maximum, minimum, things like that, then I can also change that there. But once I'm done, I need to save that query, and I'll call that total cost of products purchased. Just make sure that your query names are meaningful, so you can always look back and you can see which ones are relevant. But anyways, thanks for watching the quick tutorial. That's it, and I'll see you next time.